ready to save money on your next Remitly transfer. Let's walk through how to redeem a promotional or discount code in just a few easy steps. First, start by opening the Remitly app on your phone or visiting Remitly.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, initiate a new transfer by clicking on the Send Money button. This is where you'll set up all the details for your transfer. Now, fill out all the necessary information, including who you're sending money to, the amount you want to send, and your preferred delivery method. Take your time and double-check everything is correct. Here's the important part. Look for a section labeled Promo Code, Discount Code, or something similar. It's usually found on the review page or near the payment summary. The location can slightly vary depending on the app version and device. Tap or click in the designated field and carefully enter your Remitly promo code. Make sure you type it in exactly as it appears, paying attention to capitalization and any numbers or special characters. After entering the code, you should see an Apply button next to the code field. Click or tap on Apply. The page should refresh, and you'll see the discount applied to your total amount. A confirmation message or a green checkmark might also appear to confirm that the code was successfully redeemed. Double-check the updated total to confirm the discount, and then proceed to complete your transaction as usual. Congratulations! You've just saved money using a Remitly promo code. Remember to check for new promotions regularly to maximize your savings.